Good day, everyone. Welcome to Emotions and Stories. Our story for today is called The Girl Who Walked Out of Shadows. Introduction. 10 years ago, Kavya, a 17-year-old girl from an idyllic village of Suryagar, vanished without a trace during the annual Diwali festival. Despite desperate searches and endless speculations, no one could explain her disappearance. Her family, once was the most respected in the village, became pariahs, haunted by the rumors of curses, elopement, and even dark rituals. Now, on a quiet evening, as the village prepares for another Diwali, Kavya suddenly reappears on the same temple steps where she was last seen, dressed in the same vibrant red lehenga she wore on the night of disappearance. She looked untouched by time, her face serene and her eyes distant. Her return sent shockwaves through the village, raising more questions than answers. The setting. Suryagarh is a picturesque village in Uttarakhand. Nestled amidst dense forests and misty mountains, it is a place steeped in tradition, where whispers of the supernatural mingle with everyday life. At the heart of the village stands the ancient Shiva temple, believed to guard the village from evil forces. Kavya's disappearance and reappearance are closely tied to the temple, as villagers claim to have seen strange lights, heard ethereal voices there over the years. The mystery deepens. Kavya's return isn't the joyful reunion her family expected. She doesn't recognize her parents or remember her life before. Her voice is soft, almost detached, and she avoids direct eye contact when villagers ask her where she has been. She replies cryptically, I was where the shadows dance, where time does not follow. Strangely, Kavya has knowledge of events that occurred in the village during her absence, like birth, death, and even secrets she couldn't possibly know. Rising action. The investigation. Rajiv, a young doctor visiting the village for Diwali, takes an interest in Kavya's case. He's skeptical of the supernatural rumors and begins investigating her disappearance scientifically. He learns that Kavya has been seen arguing with a mysterious man on the night of her disappearance. The temple connection. Kavya often visits the Shiva temple at night, sitting on the steps and humming a haunting melody. When Rajiv confronts her, she reveals that the melody came to her from the forest. Her words lead Rajiv to explore the forest, where he finds an old abandoned ashram. The ashram's walls are covered in faded murals depicting a ritual involving a young woman with shadowy figures. Villagers say the ashram was abandoned decades ago after a scandal involving its leader. Kavya begins having fragmented flashbacks, visions of a dimly lit room, chanting voices, and a dark figure with glowing eyes. She recalls a strange sensation of being pulled into another realm but cannot explain how she returned. The twist. Rajiv uncovers an old journal in the ashram, written by the former leader. It describes a forbidden ritual meant to open a portal to the shadow realm, a mythical plane where time stands still. The ritual required a pure soul to act as a conduit. On the night of the disappearance, Kavya had unknowingly stumbled upon this ritual. The leader, desperate to complete it, used Kavya as the conduit. However, the ritual backfired, trapping Kavya in the shadow realm for 10 years. Kavya's return is not a miracle, but a consequence of a portal weakening. The leader's writing suggests that Kavya's presence in the world is unstable. She may be pulled back into the shadow realm unless the portal is closed forever. As the village prepares for Diwali, Kavya's vision grows more intense. She starts speaking in a language no one understands and warns of a looming danger. Strange occurrences begin. Animals flee the forest, the temple bells ring on their own, and a cold mist envelops the village. Rajiv, with the help of Kavya's flashbacks, pieces together the ritual to close the portal. It requires someone to willingly take Kavya's place in the shadow realm. In a dramatic confrontation at the temple, the portal begins to open, and the shadowy figures emerge, reaching for Kavya at the last moment. Kavya's young brother, now a grown man, sacrifices himself to her. The portal closes and Kavya collapses, freed from the shadow's grip. Resolution. Kavya regains her memories and begins to rebuild her life. Though she carries the guilt of her brother's sacrifice, the village, shaken but grateful, treat her with reverence, seeing her as someone touched by the divine. The abandoned ashram is sealed off, and the villagers begin to heal. Rajiv leaves Suryagarh changed by the experience and haunted by unanswered questions. As the story ends, Kavya stands on the temple steps during the Diwali, gazing at the forest. A faint whisper comes through the air. Only she can hear. The shadows never forget. We hope you like this little story with a little tinge of suspense and drama. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.